Shandong Cronx Heat Transfer Technology Co., Ltd., founded in 2011, is a premier technology-based enterprise dedicated to the research, design, manufacturing, and installation of high-efficiency, energy-saving, and water-saving cooling and condensing equipment. Strategically located near Qingdao Port to leverage robust logistical and human resource advantages. Cronx operates sales offices in 12 countries and regions worldwide, serving users across more than 30 nations. Backed by over 50 patents and globally recognized certifications including CTI, CE, ISO, EAC, and SGS, we deliver complete industry solutions, professional product training, and responsive after-sales service. Our reliable product portfolio covers cooling towers, dry cooling towers, evaporative condensers, air-cooled heat exchangers, premium accessories, and furnace lining rammers. Cronx engineers excel at tailoring both standard and highly customized OEM or ODM solutions to meet specific client needs across metallurgy, HVAC, energy, power, chemicals, data centers, and food processing sectors. As a trusted OEM manufacturer for Hisense and a certified supplier for global giants like Sinopec, CNPC, and Ingersoll Rand, we adhere to quality first, customer first, and credit-based management. We are sincerely willing to cooperate with global enterprises for a win-win future.